Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. and in today's video, we're going to show you how to print more than just face masks with your face mask kit. So we wanted to show you all how much value really rests in your face mask kit by today showing you how to print left chest prints on a t-shirt and on the short sleeve cuffs of a t-shirt. So without further ado, let's get started. The first placement we're working on is the left chest print. What we like to do is load the shirt onto the platen while the platen is already placed on the printer so that you can see exactly how big your workspace is and where the print is going to go. The 3x4 top plate with its corresponding hoop makes it easy to see exactly where the print is going to line up as it goes through the printer, and all you have to do is just place it where you want it to go and send it on through. The second placement we're doing is on the sleeve of the t-shirt, and in order to place that, again with the platen already on the printer itself and loading the apparel that way, using that top shoulder seam as you can see here, lining it up with the center line on the platen itself, and then just tucking under the cuff hem right underneath that top plate, putting the hoop on, and then sending it on through. Again, with the other sleeve, we're just using that shoulder seam, lining it up with the center of the platen, putting the hoop on and sending it through. Alright friends, thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned in the coming weeks to see what else you can print with your face mask kit, because it doesn't stop there. And while you're at it, go ahead and head over to our Instagram at KeyprintCo to see all the other fun things that we print here every day using our platens and kits. Thanks for watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.